Well, it's a box. That's still on it. Let's go ahead and get this guy open. And it's an actuator of some sort. Oh, it's a quarter turn actuator. But there's no air ports. Is this electric? Hey guys, Ron here from Festo again. I'm here to show you our line of process valve, electric actuated process valve. So here we've got a three-port ball valve here. It's actually an L port, as you can see by the indicator up top. It's got the standard Namur patterns here, square shaft with the designated. I think this is an F04 pattern. I believe this is a 9mm shaft. But basically, it's a full port ball valve, PTFE seats, 316 stainless steel body, NPT ports. And then on the actuator side, we've got a full-on electric actuator here. It's signal to open, signal to close, and I believe here it is negative switching, so we may need to put a relay in there to do a PNP style output. But anyways, this also has the Namur style bolt patterns here. This one has an I think this is an F04, but basically with an adapter sleeve here, you're able to directly mount that directly onto the actuator, and now you've got a fully automated electric 24-volt quarter turn actuator with a ball valve here. So on this quarter turn actuator, it looks like we've got a star pattern here. So depending on some manufacturers have the square shaft oriented at a 45-degree angle as such here, or the square shaft may actually be turned 90 degrees, or actually 45 degrees, so that all the flats are in line with the ports here. But going back to the actuator, looks like we've got a NEMA 4X body here. We've got our manual override for the actuator itself, and we've got our I think these are NPT ports for cable glands and whatnot, and conduit if you want to run that. And we've got an indicator up top here to indicate open or closed. And obviously we've got to, the ball valve needs to be oriented so that it lines up with this indicator. But that's pretty much it. In a nutshell here, we've got 24 volts DC. It's a 10-watt motor. 15-second actuation time for 90 degrees. So yeah, this should make things really simple for you guys that don't want to go the pneumatic route. Obviously, we've got issues with pneumatic components that we got to take into factor as far as freezing temperatures and whatnot, because any moisture that gets into the air lines of these pneumatic quarter turn actuators could potentially pose a freezing hazard, and it may actually bind the actuator in an open or closed position or whatnot, and would fail to actuate regardless of whatever pressure you send to it. But yeah, this definitely takes care of it. So again, Ron Young here from Festo. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comment section, and have a good day.